How to resize images on Canva. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to resize images on Canva like a pro. Whether you are adjusting a picture or for a design or just resizing a background, I'll show you exactly how to do it. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, open the Canva image editor and on the left hand side, click on Elements and then select any photo to add to your project. And once your image is on the canvas, you'll notice small dots around the edge. These are the resize handles. So to resize it, you can simply click and drag on any of those dots to adjust the size however you like. This works for any images as long as it is not set as a background. And if you want to set an image as a background, simply right click on the image and from the pop-up menu select Set Image as Background. But here is the catch. When you do this, the resize dot disappears, meaning you can't manually adjust the size anymore. So if you need to resize it again, simply right click on that and select Detach Image from Background. And after that, resize dot will appear and you can freely adjust the image again. And now if you want to resize your entire design instead of just an image, Canva has a built-in resize tool. Now here in the upper left corner, simply click on resize and now enter your custom width and height and choose between pixel, inches or centimeters. Canva also offers pre-made size templates for social media, presentations and more. But this feature is only available for Canva Pro users. You can try it for free for 30 days if you don't have premium account yet. And that's it. Now you know how to resize images in Canva, whether you are adjusting a picture manually or using Canva Pro Resize tool. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.